Welcome to Megamation Direct Line Training. This video will look at creating checklist task types. To access the task type entry screen, go to Module, Preventive Maintenance, Checklist Task Type Entry. There are a number of task types in the system by default. They can be viewed in the Checklist Task Type Entry screen by clicking the magnifying glass next to task type number. To create a new task type, enter a task type number or code. The displayed number is a sequential counter and will always give the next available number. Next, add a task type description. To have the task type description show up as the task description on the checklist, check the box right below description. This option is useful for creating a task that will be on a checklist multiple times or on multiple checklists. Next, choose the checklist task type characteristics. The characteristics are as follows. Manual entry. This option gives the user a text box to type in. Yes, no. This option allows the user to choose yes or no. This option has additional features when the checklist is completed from the mobile system. In the Actions to Take section, click the Search button to display the Actions to Display selection window. Available actions are create a follow-up work order, which will automatically create a follow-up work order once the checklist is marked as complete. Send email, which will send an email once the checklist is completed. Enter email addresses in the param1 field for to and in the param2 field for CC. Display alert, which will display an alert when the checklist is completed. Type the alert to be displayed in the param1 field. Pass-fail. This option allows the user to choose pass or fail. This type also uses the Actions to Take function described previously. Define list of valid options. Use this type to create a list of options for the user to choose from when completing the checklist. Each option can have actions to take set up as discussed previously. High and low reading measurements is used to enter high and low measurements from instrumentation. Number is a number-only formatted field. Date and time task types are used to add dates and times to the checklist. Equipment event reading task types are used to allow entering readings from the equipment. These fields update the equipment event entry, which can be used to trigger the PM. Once the checklist task type characteristics are chosen, hit Save in the toolbar.